Yo, what's up everybody? Thunder and Diesel here with another trucking video. Oh, I just noticed I'm looking up on my bed. Look at that. Oh, give more attention. If I hit that, I would have got shot. Yo, that's crazy. Dang, I need to be careful next time. Alright, so we're here in Lithonia, Georgia. We're about to haul asphalt. I'm here like 30 minutes early so I can like get in front of all the trucks that are coming. I already saw one truck pass by, but dang, man. Yeah, I'm trying to get as many loads as I can. We're getting paid by the ton today, 10 bucks a ton. And after 30 minutes, they start paying, like when you get on the job or here, the start time starts at 8:45. And then we're there for 30 minutes. They start paying you like $1.66 a minute for wait time. So I'm here. I just sprayed special sauce on my bed so the asphalt doesn't stick. I didn't see that power line up there. Imagine if I hit it. Oh. So yeah, let's go get loaded or wait and then get loaded. In the meantime, I bought me some biscuits. I'm gonna eat them. Really good from a gas station. So we're here at the plant. Right now it's 8:15. Start time is 8:45. There's already 2 trucks in line in front of me. If I get here at exactly 8:45, there's already like at least 10 trucks here, so it's better to get here earlier. Get more loads. More money. So yeah, in the meantime, I'll eat my biscuits. Like I said, I have this DoorDash bag insulated. And one time last year, before I got this truck, I used to work at a company driving a dump truck for them, and it broke down. So they'll call me back, and never call me back. So I was making no money, so I signed up for DoorDash, and I did just only one, I was gonna say load, but one delivery. And they sent me this so I can do more, and I haven't done any since then. I only done one. I kinda wanna start doing it again, you know, maybe at nighttime, or there's trying to make more money, man. If there's no nighttime work for this truck, I'm gonna have to do something, because in the wintertime there's barely any work. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Pay that expensive insurance bill. Here, sitting eating my breakfast. It's really good. It's a chicken sandwich, chicken, egg, and cheese with a toast. Toast almost tastes like Zaxby's, man. So good. Got like 20 more minutes to start time. I was telling y'all, it's pretty tight here, especially within my truck, because it has bad steering radius. Like the smaller trucks like those, like the Max, they can do it. But like me, I have to go all the way here. Look, you can see on the wall scratches. I think some trucks has hit him, or it's probably the loader guy. And then I'll leave TikTok on. And I have to reverse. Almost hit that wall behind me. And then the forward again. Make sure I don't fall off. Alright, we made it with just one backup. So yeah, it's pretty narrow here. You can see on my camera right there. Barely no space left or right. The first time I messed up my dang spikes. Hopefully this guy gives us like 20 tons. Their dang radio don't even work, so yeah. They have to tell us something, I don't know. little horn with, yeah, the hook. Load it up. Gotta spray special liquid on my tailgate. Now it's all stuck on there. I'm gonna do a next round. So if we go up here, it says no diesel and truck bed. That's the only thing that actually works, but it's legal. See, we use that special liquid so it doesn't get stuck. And then here, I don't know what this is, but it's some kind of